Hello, this video gives the details guide and tip for CompXM 2024. Capsim CompXM 2024 has 4 rounds and 5 quizzes, and this is the video guide for round 1 to get the top result. So the top 10 winning tips to win CompXM version 2024-2025 is you see on the screen. We use the industry condition report and free Excel file to calculate R&D and update R&D each round. I show you now. First, you log in the CompXM. You see this for the rounds, this for the board query. You have 4 rounds and 5 quizzes, 5 board queries. The first thing first, and you see the CompXM screen of R&D for the first round. We started with 4 products here, and the first thing we need to look at the industry condition report. Industry condition report first. So for the industry condition report, we see CompXM. So we have CompXM. This is one of the most important thing because CompXM is exam. It is different from student to student. So we need to look at this file to find out the number for specific game. So do not copy the number from student to student because they are different. And then we start here. Again, you look at the industry condition report from the report tab. You see industry condition report, and then you see the file. And you see the first table is very important. We have 4 products: treat, core, nano, and elite, right? And treat low cost, core, and average, nano, and elite are higher price, right? So for each round, we need to remember we need to increase performance and reduce size by this number. And because they are different numbers, so we can use the Excel file to calculate the performance and size for 4 rounds, right? And the second table is very important. We look at this. We have 4 segments here: treat, core, nano, elite. For each segment, we have performance and size here. Segment we have here, right? And this is the start from round 1, round 0. So we have 4 rounds here. So basically, simple. We can use this number for 4 rounds. You see, for 4 products. But we cannot do that. We should not do that because we have table 3 here. The ideal spot. It means each round, if we use this number, it can sell in round 1 and round 2, but not in round 3 and 4. So we need to update here to the ideal spot of each segment. So trip is okay, but core we need to update by increase performance by 0.4 and reduce size by 0.4. For nano, we increase by 0.8 for performance and reduce size by 1.1. And it because they are the number again, they are the number different, so we can use a free Excel file to do this faster for 4 rounds. So that's a tip. And also for version 2024-2025, the growth rate of each segment is different. Trip 11, core 10, nano 14, and elite 16%, right? 16%. To win the game, we add 4 new products in 4 segments, and then we can always win in later rounds. So that's the winning tips, right? So you can see we add 3 new products in round 1. And then we can double the sale and profit from round 3 and 4, and then we can lead the game 4 rounds with top results, right? So that's the first part of the CompXM guides for version 2024-2025. You can see the other video for step-by-step guide to win the CompXM from round 1 to 4. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.